Hello YouTube, and I want to show you what happened earlier on June 27th, 2016. What happened was, I went on Google Maps and I found a Shell car wash located on Young Street in Barrie, and they have a soft cloth car wash. And I said to myself, these soft cloth car washes at the Shell stations are really rare. And plus, we had to go there today to do something. So we went to the Shell station first, and I saw that the sign got replaced with a Choice Car Wash sign. And I said to myself, oh darn it, the old soft cloth system got replaced. I'm not sure what system it was. It might be a Ballinger system also, or an older one. Not sure. Anyways, I decided to try it out while I was here to see what it looks like. It seems like a tunnel system, but it wasn't not. It was an in-bay system. So anyways, went to get the car wash code in the store in as always and got the ultimate soft touch wash. But when we got in the car wash bay, we stopped as always, the tri-foam happened, and then the top brush came down as always, and then went over the car. But when it got to the front windshield on the first pass, the brushes stopped and the whole Mark 7 ChoiceWash XT had stopped working. The back door was open too, and we were really surprised that happened. And I was really laughing to myself because it never happened to me before. So that was the first. And then so we drove out of the car wash bay, went inside the store, got a refund, and got the ultimate touch-free wash. Then we went back inside the car wash. It worked really well. Everything was good. The dryers were good too, and stuff like that. And ever since the incident with the Mark 7 ChoiceWash XT, I haven't revisited the car wash since. I might do a revisit soon if we are back in Barrie one day. My voice will be younger since it was taken in 2016. My voice was still getting deeper back then, so if you're wondering who is a different person the car is, it's me with a younger voice. So anyways, enough for talking. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will post another car wash video soon. A real one. I can't wait now today because it is really raining outside and it's supposed to rain for the whole weekend. So, from now on, I will try to post some videos that isn't from the past. Not like in the 2017 or so. So I'll try to look for videos to keep you entertained till the rain stopped. So anyways, enough for talking. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one. Have a good day. It looks like we have a Mark 7 ChoiceWash XT. We have a Mark 7 ChoiceWash XT. Nice.
Oh, wow. Look at that. What do you think?
Oh. I don't care, we'll try and pack. Nice system. Nice Mark 7 system. It's barely dark out. Oh, fail. Now we are going to start. Now let's see what we got.
Moving.
High impact wash. And then we are going to start with triple foam. We're going to start with tri-foam. What a good covering.
Wow.
And then put the windshield wipers. That's good. And here's our brushes.
Oh, those brushes.
That's a bit
Look at that. Look at that.
pretty dark Fifth.
I like the way you got right down the front of the car. Yeah. What's this?
We have a top wash coming up. Oh!
What? This
What happened?
can't be.
It's a fail! But when I got this on camera! Oh my gosh! What's going on now? What? That's a fail?
The door's open.
Oh, okay then. Okay then. That's a fail. You gotta be kidding me.
What do I do now?
It says stop. And I don't think we can get I guess we are gonna try to get a refund. That's turned out the much more interesting video I ever have. Drive out of the system because it has stopped. Okay, now let's drive out.
Just go. Drive.
Yep. That's a fail. Definitely a fail.
Definitely a fail is right.
No dry outs here. The drive didn't start up. So we have to get a rewash. So let's go inside and get a refund. What an interesting video. Now there's Tri-Phone behind us. There's a Tri-Phone behind us. So let's go inside and get a refund at this Choice Car Wash. Hopefully we will get the touch-free wash. Go, second attempt. We are going to try for a touch-free wash because the first one didn't work out so well. We are going to give our undercarriage again.
No.
Oh, there it goes. We can't really see them again. Hopefully we will get rid that. Oh, there we go. Now let's see how it does. Let's see if it works out so far. If not, we have to go for the Petro Canada. Starting out with a pre-soak that has a bar that drops down to the bottom. Nice system so far.
All the words.
Yes. We are going. Oh, your windshield wiper is down. Good covering with a pre-soak. Yes. Hopefully it will work out from the soft car wash. My first ever touch-free car wash in Barrie.
A disaster.
Oh, it's getting out cold enough pre-soak. What enough for good coating? Throw it up, please, lovely. And we are going back. Now triple foam.
Holy man.
Another covering of Tri-Foam. Good California for trifle. And
Well, we've been here before.
high pack wash. High pack wash. High pack wash. High pressure wash.
My goodness.
Getting up the soap, we're going to get the powder from the front again.
Well, the back window's still all dirty.
And hopefully we'll do another pass or something. Oh, and the shield. That's probably a Rain-X covering or something.
The back windshield's all mud yet.
Yeah.
What's going on now?
Getting out coating of Rain-X or a shield or something. Clear coat protectors anyways. Now we are going to get our spot-free rinse. Wait till it's done. You're going to get our dryers. Go again. Here we go. Through the dryers. We have 1 minute of dryer time. We have Mark 7 full test dryers again, as usual. We have 48 seconds of dryer time. Mark. Hopefully, it looks like he's getting the other guy is getting the ultimate touch-free wash. The dress is doing a great job. One second, and we are done. But I say good Mark 7 after that fail. Only takes 2 attempts to go through this car wash. That was pretty unique.
Why don't I pull over there?